Thank you for attending today's panel discussion hosted by the Department of Political Science and the Vanderbilt Project on Unity and American Democracy. On January 6th, we all witnessed the horrific assault on the US Capitol and our most fundamental democratic processes. As shocking as this event was, we had long known and sensed the underlying tensions and hostilities brewing within segments of our society. Today's discussion is really meant to illuminate the social, legal, and psychological foundations that led to that day.
Where do you think this really puts us in terms of contemporary policy making or politics today?
We are hardwired to embrace tribalism. We construct pictures in our heads and believe them to be true, and we accept narratives that are made accessible and available by the media and other sources.
Scientists have known for at least half a century that ordinary people have strong attachments in the abstract to democratic ideals, but in particular cases, and especially when those ideals seem to stand in the way of their strongly held substantive values, they can often express views that we might regard as anti-democratic.
The problem, it seems to me, is that when we fail to act on the basis of our principles, we give the unprincipled license to act.
There's a bit of a leadership vacuum out there in the global political system and within public opinion, and there's opportunity here.